friends, I'm Olga Koelsch and welcome to my studio. Today we're gonna paint red, very red poppy flower, and it's a very popular flower and I hope you enjoy the process because we will paint it in very loose, in very beginner friendly technique. So let's start. For poppy I already prepared very diluted Winsor Red and I have a thick squirrel brush, and I imagine that poppy petals will go like this. What I do not like in this brush, you see it leaves these little stains. I'm going to remove them with a paper towel, just like this. Maybe we will cover them later with something, it doesn't matter. So right now I just paint the general shape of the poppy, the front petal, and I add to Winsor Red a little bit of yellow to get some orange touches, like this, and to the other petal. And I have to paint relatively quick to keep it wet. And I add to the middle of our poppy some extra bold color, and with my brush, with very soft moves, I'm not polishing the paper, I go very softly above the paper. And now I have a clean and dry brush and I could remove a little bit of colors. And all moves I do, they goes along the lines of the petal, along the vines and along the main lines of the petal, and then it will make everything looks very natural. And when it is still wet, I take my favorite sage green and I add the stem. I allow colors to mix here, and the stem I will try to paint just with one move. No worries that it might look a little bit thinner. It's for artistic purposes. It's always better to paint a little bit thinner stem than a little bit thicker poppy flower. I do not want to add greenery, although yes, I add one leaf with the tip of the brush and some wiggle moves around, just some wiggling around. It's the shapes are rather sharp, so I try not to make it too smooth. Like this. And I want to add another flower like this. It would be more closed, the bud would be more closed. Again, I take very diluted Winsor Red and I combine it with, here it is, with yellow color. Can't remember what it actually is. It doesn't really matter for us. So I imagine the way how it grows, and with the thick brush I just go here. I add some yellow touch, especially when sun shines on the flower. It adds some warmth and into the petals. I want to emphasize that. And with almost clean but wet brush, I a little bit distribute the colors. And now I take just the bold red and allow colors to combine. I want to add some bolder strokes in some parts. Just like this. I do not like that the shape is too round. I want to add some variety. Now it's time to connect with greenery. Again, I add green, but here I paint the stem with one go, just here. Now I wash my brush, I dry it with the paper towel, I dry it, and I remove a little bit of color in some areas, like this. And the last thing I want to paint, it will be the closed bud, which will be almost green. I'm just trying to imagine how it will grow. Probably like this. Again, green color. It would be nice to add something a little bit red right in this bud. And now a bit of darker on the sides, and here it is. Our poppy flower is almost done, although right here it feels it could be a little bit less intense, so I just take a little bit of paper towel and with very gentle go, I remove some extra red here. And here it is. Our poppy flower is ready. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process. I'm looking forward to see your poppy field in your feed in Instagram. Tag me olga.koelsch. Leave me some feedback in comments which flowers you would like to paint next. You are very welcome. See you next time. Bye bye.